has taught me a lot. Regardless of the religious aspect, I feel that Ramadan teaches people that ignorance is not an excuse for apathy. We should all be proactive in recognizing the struggles and plights of those that are less fortunate than us. I have a lot more respect and appreciation for the dedication that people have during Ramadan to fasting, because I now understand that it's not about their individual struggles or how hard they find it, you know, fasting, working under the sun. It's about what you learn through that struggle, as in what feeling thirsty and tired teaches you about other people and about yourself. Because what you gain from the feelings of hunger and thirst or exhaustion that you may have is worth so much more than just, you know, sipping some water to temporarily satisfy that thirst. I can see how that would bring you closer to God, and I can see why Ramadan is so important to Muslims, because it teaches you a lot about yourself, a lot about other people. Not to mention, let's have a shout out for self-control, because there were several times I was very tempted, but it does show you that you can resist temptation. I want to just give a really quick thank you to all the Muslims who very kindly shared their personal opinions in what Ramadan means to them, because it gave me a much better insight into this whole process. And I just want to say I wish you all the best of luck with the continuation of Ramadan, because, you know, it's not easy, but you get on with it seamlessly. So shout out all the Muslims, essentially. That's what this video is. This has been a wonderful experience for me, and I hope this has been enlightening for any non-Muslims that are watching this, to show you kind of what your Muslim neighbours are getting up to during this month, and so that you can be more aware, you know, of their struggles. What I've learned also through talking to people who are currently celebrating Ramadan, don't be afraid to ask questions if you're curious. I have not met a single person who has been offended by me being curious about their religion, because asking removes ignorance, and once you get rid of the ignorance, we can all just get along so much better. To all my non-Muslims, you know, just be respectful to your friendly neighbourhood Muslims during this time. Don't go downing a litre of water in front of them. Don't shove a chocolate gatto in your mouth. It's disrespectful, bro. Don't be that guy. That's all I'm saying. Don't be that guy.